Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome online classes. Myself, Deepak, your professor here, and now we will talk about today the food hygiene and sanitation today. Okay, so our topic is hygiene and sanitation. So how we sanitize and how we hygiene practice do in our daily work. Okay, so there will be first I will talk about uh, the cause of the contamination. First, what is the cause contamination? Okay, so means there is in the food item can be contaminate. Okay, from the four part. Okay, the physical contamination. Okay, there will be chemical contamination, and there will be also biological contamination, and the fourth one is microbiological contamination. Okay, so these are four contamination we have. Okay, in the physical contamination what happened? Okay, there is a, if anything, so same like here is the physical contamination, the physical part. Okay, there can be the screw. Okay, there can be the pen cap. Okay, and if you're working in the operation time, or if you have any wounds, or there is you keep some plaster or bandage, this is also the physical contamination. Okay, if we talk about the chemical contamination, okay, the chemical you are using while cleaning the things. Okay, so these chemicals comes with the food, these chemical while you cleaning the surface. So cleaning agent. Okay, sanitization, while you sanitizing, so this chemical go to the food and can be contaminated the food. Okay, so why we study about this contamination? Okay, so these are the reason to contaminate the food. Okay, to most of the cases you have coming the food poisoning cases. Okay, so these are the hazards: physical, chemical, biological, and microbiological hazard. From those hazards the food can be poison. Okay, so we need to prevent from these kind of hazard. So I will tell you one by one how to prevent from the these. Okay, how to prevent from the physical contamination. Okay, so means sometime we are wearing the uniform. Okay, if you talk about the here, so here will go from, okay, if you're wearing the cap, chef cap, if you're wearing the full sleeve shirt. Okay, uh, also you need to check your area is neat and clean. Your team, they are following the cleaning schedule time to time. Okay, so they have to follow the cleaning procedure, cleaning. Okay, avoid uses of Detroit's utensil also. Okay, if you see any kind of uh, utensil, it can easily, okay, with the some lead, same like aluminum foil, it's easily go to the food. Okay, so these are means you need to avoid these kind of uh, utensil to with the food. Okay, now we talk about the chemical. Chemical can be okay, cleaning agent. As I said, cleaning agent, detergent, pesticide, water, air. So it's go to them and contaminate these things also. Okay, so how we prevent from the chemical contamination? Okay, so there is chemical contamination. First, you have to check all the utensil is neat and clean. Okay, time to time you have to check the water condition also. The water is coming good condition. You have to check the TDS of the water is hard or soft. Okay, so there is the maintenance team. Okay, they are the one checking time to time. They are getting the sample from the where you store the water or where you are using the water, so they get the sample, okay, time to time, and then they check the hardness of the water also. Then after, there is if you keep the food together, okay, so from the food also, the of course the bacteria need the medium to transfer one form to another. Okay, same in the chemical, they need the medium from one container to another container. If you use the tools and same tools you are using for the cleaning agent, so it will contaminate the food and chemical as well as. Okay, so all the time you have to separate all the chemicals, so away from the food, and keep away from the area where you are going to store the food as well as. Okay, if we talk about the biological hazard, okay, so biological hazards, these are the hazards is same like fly, mosquito, mice, and the other things can be lizard. Okay, so these are the biological hazard which is easily contaminate the food. Okay, when they come and touch the food or bring the saliva of their saliva to the food, so easily contaminate the food. So that's why you have to be pest control time to time in your outlet. Okay, so pest control time to time you need to do the pest control. Okay, if you see any sign of pest, okay, the same immediately inform the pest control team. Okay, pest control. So the pest control team, if you have in-house the team, okay, so they will do the time to time the pest. They will use the pesticide also to control the pests. Okay, if you don't have the team inside in the house, so then you have to be look external company who can do the pest control for you. Okay, so cockroaches, mosquito, flies is coming in their food area, so you need to stop them also. Okay, if you have any kind of holes, okay, in the crack in the walls, so you need to fill all these kind of wall and crack as soon as possible. Okay, so during the pest control also you need to cover all kind of foods. Okay, so foods can be covered. And also after pest control, deep pest control, you need to wash your area with soapy water and then sanitize again, and then you can use also. Okay, so before pest control, all the things you have to keep on the places and cover with clean film, cover with the any kind of boxes, or you have to keep them away. Okay, during the pest control also there is they keep the fly catcher also. Okay, so fly catcher, before we are using the electric one, electric shock one. So also now there is a glue board coming. Okay, so on the glue board there is a light. Okay, and on the glue board there is a fly catcher, but time to time you need to check the glue board also, and need to change also the glue board from there also. Okay, so this is the pest control team have to be take care. How to prevent the biological contamination? Okay, clean and sanitize your walking area. You need to clean your surface, clean your area. Okay, uh, clean on unreachable places, hidden places also, because if there is any kind of food, it's balance. Okay, so there will be the cockroach and the other biological hazard will be will come also from there. Okay, as I said, all the cracks, ceiling, you need to check if there is a hole or crack. You need to fix all the things. Make sure that grain, sugar, flour and other also need to cover properly and maintain the storage as well as. Okay, regular pest control as I said. Okay, also you need to check there is a space under the door. Okay, if there is a space of the small space under the door, so any kind of pets, lizard can come from there also. Okay, so you need to check also the door even is properly closed. Okay, fly catcher also machine have to be in each area and always cover the food. So these are the points you can cover, prevent from the biological hazard. Okay, so there is means the sanitation today. Then I will talk about the sanitation, how to do the sanitation also. Okay, so there is food also going to be sanitized. So how to do the sanitize the food? Okay, the vegetable and fruits. Okay, fruits and vegetable, how you sanitize? First of all, you need to wash 3 to 4 times. Wash in running water. Okay, first you need to wash 3 or 4 times running water. If there is any soil in any insect or something, so it will be move out from there. Then if you are using the same day the vegetable and fruits, if you are using on the same day, so what you have to do, you have to sanitation with the, there is a tablets. Okay, so in one tablet 5 liter water. Okay, and if you are using 10 liter, 2 tablet. Okay, so what you have to do, first you have to fill the tank full. Okay, and then you have to check the water level, it's 10 liter or 5 liter, and then you have to use this kind of sanitation tablets, and then you have to keep the all the vegetables or fruits one by one. Okay, for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, and then you have to remove. Okay, if you are using same day the vegetables, so 10 liter water, 1 tablet. Okay, if you are using the same day the vegetable, if you have to cut, you have to use, or fruits, so in 10 liter water 1 tablet. And if you are using the next day, so for the next day in 10 liter 2 tablets. Okay, so next day you have to use the 2 tablets. Okay, and then you have to remove, stain, cover it, clean that. Okay, and then you can use this kind of. So this is the vegetable and fruit sanitation. Okay, this kind of method you have to use. Also the sanitation, the tablet or chlorine tablets, it's written on the box or packet how much water you have to use for the 1 tablet or 2 tablet. It's written there also. Company, they already tested all the things. Okay, so just sanitation also. Okay, there is also the man, working in the your area, he need to sanitize himself also, for his hand also. So he have to take care also, because the bacteria can through from his hand also. So these are the mediums. Okay, personal hygiene have to be there, hand hygiene have to be there, cleaning all the time. He have to check each task. Okay, every 20 minutes. Okay, every 20 minutes he need to wash their hand. Okay, if he changing the task. Okay, if he changing the task means if he touch the raw product, if he touch any kind, if he touch his face here. Okay, and if he is handling money, any kind of task he did, and then after he have to wash their hand also, because our hand is the medium to uh, pass the bacteria from there also. Okay, so this is our hygiene and sanitation class today. Okay, I hope you enjoy today. Okay, if you have any questions or doubt, okay, then you can ask me. Okay, we will fix the time also. Weekly we have the classes. We will have the classes also, and there will be, I prepare the test, objective test for you guys. Okay, so weekly you have to be after lecture complete, you have to attend. Okay, for online student, they need to attend the classes also. They have to be minimum classes. Okay, means the weekly they have one or two classes for other subject as well as. Okay, if you have FMB service classes, you have to check also. If you have food production classes, you need to check also the classes, and other accommodation operation also. Time to time you can interact with the live classes with your faculties on Saturday, like Saturday, and doubt classes also. Okay, so it's enough for today. Okay, I will leave the class. Okay, thank you so much for attending the class. See you soon.